In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a ignition coil boot on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located under the hood on top of the engine. Let's get started. Let's remove our oil cap, set it aside. I like to put on the hood latch. Then on the lower right corner, we're going to locate a T30 screw. Go ahead and remove that. And set it aside. Now that my oil cap is off and my screw is off as well, I'm going to go ahead and pull up on the engine cover. So pull up on the right side. You'll find two rubber grommets. I'll set the engine cover aside. Now let's remove the foam. Just pull up on the corners. And we can set this aside. Now that my engine cover and its foam is off, I'm going to go ahead and locate our first coil pack and its 10mm bolt. I'm going to do the connector. So just pull up on this red tab with both fingers. You'll hear a click when it comes undone. Now that my tab's undone, I'm going to use both thumbs to push down on the tab and pull the connector out. Quick inspection for any corrosion or damage. Set it aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the 10mm bolt holding the ignition coil down. Quick inspection for any damage. Now you can pull the ignition coil up and out. There it is. Now let's install our ignition coil boot. Go ahead and grab our original ignition coil and just twist the boot off. Just twist and pull it out. We can now set this aside and install our new ignition coil boot. There's an alignment tab right here. Align that with the cutout on the new ignition coil boot and just slide it in. And there it is. Again, make sure it's flush and it's aligned in that little cutout. Now let's install our ignition coil. Gonna go ahead and slide it down. Push in, make sure it seats on the spark plug. Now we can install our 10mm bolt. Thread it by hand. The torque spec for this is 89 inch-pounds. Now make sure the whole coil is secure. Now take your harness, slide it in, and push down the red tab. Make sure it's secure. Now let's go ahead and reinstall our engine cover foam. Gonna align the tabs. Now for our cover. Remember there's two rubber grommets. We're going to align these and push down. I'm going to reinstall my oil cap. And finally my T30 bolt. Going to thread it in by hand first. Then snug it down. Now we're going to make sure the cover is firmly in place. And that looks good. And that completes our install. Go ahead and start the vehicle, take it for a road test, and ensure you don't have any codes. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.